In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a notebook in Zoho Notebook. So if you want to organize your notes better, you can easily rename your notebook in Zoho Notebook directly from the web version. So let's go step by step. First, open Zoho Notebook in your browser and sign into your account. Now, once you're inside, go to the Notebook section on the left sidebar. Now, what you need to do is to locate the notebook you want to rename. So hover over your mouse over the notebook, then click on the three dots at the right side. Now from the drop down options, click on rename. So in here, you can see that the text is color black, so that means you can rename your title. So type in your new name, and once done, press enter or click outside the box, and your notebook will be renamed instantly, just like that. So, just a quick tip, you can use clear names like work notes, ideas, or projects so you can find things faster later. And that's it. You have successfully renamed your notebook in Zoho Notebook using the web version. Thanks for watching.